friends, here's again important days series of month May. It's from 1st May to 15th May. Here's important days list. 1st May it is Labor Day, Gujarat Day and Maharashtra Day. On 2nd May it is World Tuna Day. 3rd May it is Press Freedom Day and World Laughter Day. 4th May it is Coal Miners Day and International Firefighters Day. 5th May it is World Asthma Day. 7th May it is World Athletics Day, Ravindranath Tagore Jayanti and Buddha Jayanti also. 8th May it is World Red Cross Day, World Thalassemia Day. 10th May, most important, Mother's Day. A tribute to, a respect to all the mothers. 11th May it is National Technology Day. 12th May it is International Nurses Day. 15th May again International Days of Families and National Endangered Species Day. On 1st May, days to remember are most important Labor Day, after that Maharashtra and Gujarat Day. Let's proceed. Labor Day. Labor Day or May Day was first celebrated in India on May 1st, 1923. जैसा कि यहाँ पे दिया गया है, ये क्यों हुआ था? ये इनिशिएट किया था किसने? लेबर किसान पार्टी ने, लेबर किसान पार्टी ऑफ हिंदुस्तान। पहली बार मई 1, 1923 में ये सेलिब्रेट किया गया था इंडिया में। हमारी इंडिया में लेबर डे को और क्या कहते हैं हम? अंतर्राष्ट्रीय श्रमिक दिवस और कामगार दिन। जैसा कि आपको ये बताता है लेबर डे, इट पे ट्रिब्यूट पे करता है ये किसको? लेबरर्स को, जो हमारी लेबर फोर्स है, जिनके बिना हम कुछ भी नहीं है। दे आर द बेस ऑफ अवर इकोनॉमी, और आई मस्ट से बेस ऑफ ऑल द वर्ल्ड. The event helped boost the dignity of the laborers who have been treated disrespectfully or ungratefully. As it is stated, disrespectfully and unrespectfully. जनरली होता क्या है? जनरली लेबर्स को हम उतनी रिस्पेक्ट, उतनी अच्छे से हम नहीं ट्रीट कर पाते जितना हमें करना चाहिए. दे आर द सोल ऑफ अवर इकोनॉमी. That is why. On 1st May, it is also celebrated as Gujarat Day. Gujarat Day marks the formation of Gujarat and Maharashtra from the division of Bombay. बॉम्बे को लिंग्विस्टिक बेसिस पे दो स्टेट्स में सेपरेट किया गया था, बांटा गया था. कब? 1 मई 1960 को. वो दो स्टेट्स कौन कौन से थे? गुजरात एंड महाराष्ट्र. गुजरात में क्या है? एक स्टेट हॉलीडे है. दे सेलिब्रेट इट एज स्टेट हॉलीडे. जैसा कि मैंने बताया, एज आई डिस्क्राइब्ड इन द फर्स्ट वीडियो, प्रायर वीडियो, दैट Gujarat and Maharashtra are formed from the division of Bombay state in 1960 on 1st May. So it is also celebrated as Maharashtra Day, or in Marathi it is also known as Maharashtra Divas. It is also a state holiday in Maharashtra. Now on 2nd May, here's the day to remember. On 2nd May, it is celebrated as World Tuna Day. It is established by United Nations for raising the awareness about the importance of tuna fish. It was first observed on May 2nd, 2017. It is an effort to stress the importance of a stable and healthy population of tuna. It relies tuna for both for its nutritional as well as economic value. On 3rd May, days to remember are Press Freedom Day. Press Freedom Day is declared by United Nations to observe the importance of journalists, press, who have lost their lives while being on their field work. It is proclaimed by UN in December 1993, and since then in 1994 it is celebrated for the first time Press Freedom Day. On 3rd May, it is also celebrated as World Laughter Day this year. World Laughter Day is celebrated on first Sunday of May every year. As on 3rd, it is first Sunday of May, it is celebrated as World Laughter Day this year. The first celebration took place in Mumbai, India in the year 1998. It was arranged by Dr. Madan Kataria, founder of the worldwide laughter yoga movement. Now the days to remember on 4th May are: first is Coal Miners Day. हर साल 4 मई को हम क्या बनाते हैं? दो डेज सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इज कोल माइनर्स डे. कोल माइन है क्या? कोल की माइंस में से, खदानों में से कोयले को निकालना होता है. दैट इज नोन एज कोल माइनिंग. बट इट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट डेंजरस प्रोफेशंस. कोल माइनर्स ऐसे मैंस होते हैं जो चले तो जाते हैं अपने घर, अपने काम पे, पर उन्हें ये नहीं पता होता कि वो वापस आएंगे भी या नहीं आएंगे. दे मे नॉट रिटर्न होम बैक आफ्टर द वर्क व्हेन द डे इज ओवर. तब भी वो चले जाते हैं अपनी डेली वेजेस के लिए. इन इंडिया कोल माइनिंग बिगिंस इन 1774. हमारे इंडिया में 1774 में कोल माइनिंग शुरू हुई थी. Second day, which is celebrated on 4th, is International Firefighters Day. दमकल कर्मचारी. It was instituted on 4th January 1999 after a proposal across the world due to the deaths of 5 firefighters in a bushfire in Australia. ये डे क्यों मनाया जाता है, क्यों सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? इसको सेलिब्रेट करते हैं रिकॉग्नाइज करने के लिए, ऑनर करने के लिए उनके सेक्रीफाइस को, फायर फाइटर्स के, जो हमारे एनवायरनमेंट को, हमारी कम्युनिटी को इंश्योर करते हैं कि हाँ हम सेफ हैं. बिकॉज कहीं पे भी अगर फायर लगी, कहीं पे भी अगर गलती से भी कुछ फायर का जरा सा भी अलार्म हुआ, देन फायर फाइटर्स आर देयर फॉर अस. On 5th May, the days to remember are: this year 5th May is observed as World Asthma Day. It was observed on every every first Tuesday of May. As on 5th May it is first Tuesday of May, so it is celebrated as World Asthma Day. The main aim of this day is to spread awareness. हमें केयर देनी है किसके लिए? अस्थमा के पेशेंट्स के लिए. अस्थमा के बारे में हमें अवेयरनेस करनी है पूरे वर्ल्ड में. ऑन दिस डे एन एनुअल इवेंट इज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. एक एनुअल इवेंट होता है. कौन करता है इस एनुअल इवेंट को ऑर्गेनाइज? ग्लोबल इनिशिएटिव फॉर अस्थमा. अस्थमा है क्या? अस्थमा एक बहुत ज़्यादा क्रॉनिक डिसीज़ है, बहुत ज़्यादा डेंजरस डिसीज़ है. इन इट वी नीड द इनहेलर्स. द डिसीज्ड पर्सन have cough, breathlessness. On 7th May, days to remember are, one of the most important this year is Buddha Jayanti or Buddha Purnima. And others are one of the most important days on 7th May celebrated is World Athletics Day. It is observed to raise awareness about sports among youth and schools and institutions to promote athletics as the primary sport and to introduce new talent and youngsters in the field of athletics. Our Government of India also introducing athletics as mainstream, as they are organizing Khelo India School Games with the motto पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, खेलोगे कूदोगे तो बनोगे लाजवाब. Another important Jayanti on 7th May is Rabindranath Tagore Jayanti. One of the eminent person of our India, one of the most greatest artist, Bengali poet, and who have written national anthem for our India, Jan Gan Man. This day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of Rabindranath Tagore. He was born on May 7, 1861 in Kolkata. In 1913, he was honored with the Nobel Prize in Literature. As I have said, he wrote our national anthem. He is the only person who have written national anthems for two different countries. One for its own, our India, and second is for Bangladesh, Amar Sonar Bangla. As I have introduced you, this year on 7th May, it is celebrated as Buddha Jayanti or Buddha Purnima. This day is celebrated for the commemoration of birth anniversary of Gautam Buddha. He is also known as Jyotipunj or Light of Asia. It is believed that on full moon day of month Vesak, Gautam Buddha was born in Lumbini near Kapilavastu. He was believed to be 8th avatar of Lord Vishnu. On 8th May, the important days are as follows. Most important day on 8th May is World Red Cross Day. It is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of the founder of Red Cross and the International Committee of Red Cross, Henry Dunant. He was born in Geneva on May 08, 1828. He became the first recipient of the Nobel Peace Prize. World Red Cross is dedicated to the people who suffer from the shortage of food, several natural calamities, war, as well as epidemic diseases. World Thalassemia Day. It is also observed on 8th May every year in honor of the patients suffering from thalassemia and for their patients who have never lost hope for life despite the burden of their diseases. Now, what is thalassemia? Thalassemia is an inherited blood disorder that causes your body to have less hemoglobin than normal, or you can say it is similar to anemia. Thalassemia can cause you anemia, leaving you fatigued. You feel like no force. You feel like you are weak. On 10th May, it is celebrated as most important day of month May, second Sunday. Mother Day is celebrated every year on second Sunday of May to honor motherhood. Mother's Day was founded by the Anna Jarvis, who had given the idea of celebrating Mother's Day in honor to mother and motherhood in 1907. Nationally, this day was recognized in 1914. On 11th May, the day to remember is as follows. National Technology Day. It is observed every year on 11th May. This day highlights the important role of science in our daily lives. है हमारी लाइफ में कोई साइंस का रोल? Any guesses? मेकिंग ऑफ कर्ड. हर घर में दही खाई जाती है, हर घर में दही खाई जाती है, वो है क्या? साइंस. On this day, Shakti, the Pokhran nuclear test was held on 11th May 1998. On 12th May, it is very important day this year as coronavirus. We salute to the workers, we salute to our nurses. It is celebrated as International Nurses Day. International Nurses Day. Every year, it is celebrated to commemorate the anniversary of Florence Nightingale's birthday. She was the mother of modern nursing system. It is also celebrate the contribution of nurses around the world to our society. Mainly this year, in this pandemic of coronavirus, the health workers, the nurses are our heroes. We pay tribute, we salute to our nurses. On 15th May, the days to remember are as follows. International Day of Family or Family Day. Family is the basic unit of our society. This day raises the awareness about the issues related to families and increasing the knowledge about social, economic, and demographic processes that affect them. This year, on 15th, it is also celebrated as National Endangered Species Day, as it is celebrated on every third Friday in May. It raises awareness about the importance of wildlife conservation and restoration for endangered species. Endangered Species Act 1973 focuses on the protection of wildlife and threatened the species. There are several other methods to protect wildlife, example biosphere reserves. Last but not least,